Hello, look at that beautiful flower. Oh, that's scary vampire. Go ahead.
Hi guys. Hi. Hi guys.
Just take a couple pieces.
Yeah.
Excellent.
How about Kit Kats? How about Kit Kat? You should take it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is it that enough for you guys?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can take it.
More.
I appreciate it.
One more.
Oh yeah, sure.
There's your dress.
Thank you guys.
You're very nice.
Very nice.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Have a good Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Very nice.
Ichi! This one, hey.
So it's gonna be like shit. Hey, is it filming me? Holly.
ああ、いやいやいやいや。
はい、ということでですね、今から私たちはハロウィンに向かいたいと思います。ですね、ダウンタウンストリートのところに行ってですね、ちょっといろいろコスチュームをね、見て楽しんでいこうかなと思います。
What did you say?
I just like, we're gonna go down to the street and then just hang it out. Like, hey, let's decide some purpose, like let's decide some goals.
Some goals.
Some goals like to take a picture
Oh.
with something like cool costume guys and women, and then like, wait. Is it empty? Hi, what's up? Is that really empty?
Yeah. We put that down there.
Uh huh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, appreciate it. What's up, Howie? Hey, how you feeling, Howie?
I'm feeling good.
It
I'm
looks
so
like
excited.
it looks like it's so empty, bro. Look at that.
It looks so empty.
We can find some. I don't know. Hey, I wanna tie it up my shoe. Can you hold it? Wait a minute.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to find some goals. And I don't know why the stage is very empty. And the guy fucking tied the suits into the Kermit. Idiot.
I'm look at idiot. I don't think so. These guys. What the hell? ちょっと一通り回ったんですけど、全然人いなくてストリートに。で、なんか何したらいいかわかんないんですけども、なんか頑張って楽しもうと思います。No. We can try one more time, alright? And then we're gonna go home. Probably I'm not gonna post that. It's so boring. But I would like to take picture with something like Japanese anime stuff. So let's try to find it. If I found it, I would try to talk with them. Come on, Harry.
Let's go.
Why are you always looking at phone, bro?
Let's go.
It looks like bright. Let's try to introduce my college. The night of my college. Excuse me. Can you take a picture with you?
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
I don't know where to put this.
Is it like an anime character or something?
I can have you.
Oh, thank you. Huh?
Is it anime character or something?
Sorry.
Is it anime character?
No, from the video game.
Okay.
My turn. Come here.
Okay.
Hi, how it? This one. Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Happy Halloween. Oh.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
今ですね、ちょっと警察がいます。Can I take the picture with you? Appreciate it.
Be careful of God. My turn. Hold here. Thank you so much. Good night.
はい、というわけでハロウィンでした。日本に帰ったら来年のハロウィンはもっと楽しみたいと思います。さよなら。
It was my first time to join the US Halloween party. コスプレは Kermit the Frog ホストシスターに借りたよ。想像以上に人多すぎ。